In this video, I will demonstrate how to manually change salt and security keys in WordPress. But before you proceed with the steps shown in this video, please make sure to have a full backup copy of your website. Once that's done, log into your hosting account and then go to the control panel area such as cPanel, and then look for the file manager. Once it loads, go to the public_HTML folder and then look for wp-config.php file. Before we start making edits, just keep a backup copy of it. Simply right-click and then click download. It will save a copy to your local computer. And then, once again, right-click and then press edit. And once again, edit. Once the file loads, scroll a bit down roughly until the line 51. You will see about 8 security keys right here. What we're going to do is simply replace them with a new set of keys. And for that, there's a WordPress page where we can generate a new set of keys. I will leave the link to it in the video description. I just refresh the page and the new set of keys will be generated. Let's copy them all. There are 8 in total. Copy, and then delete the old set of keys and paste the new ones. Now, before you press save, just keep in mind that yourself and all your WordPress users that are currently logged into your site will be logged out and will be required to log back in. So once we're ready, just simply press save. And let's go to WordPress dashboard. And as you can see, I just got logged out actually. Let me just log back in. And that's pretty much it. We've just updated the salt and security keys on WordPress. So I hope you found this tip helpful. And for more WordPress tutorials, please subscribe to my channel. Thank you.